The wrong coffee. This is a simple English story. It is for A1 learners. Listen and relax. Tom wakes up. It is morning. He is tired. He needs coffee. Tom gets up. He goes to the bathroom. He washes his face. The water is cold. Tom looks in the mirror. His hair is messy. He is very tired. He needs coffee now. Tom puts on his clothes. He wears a blue shirt. He wears black pants. He wears his shoes. Tom leaves his apartment. He closes the door. He walks down the stairs. It is a quiet morning. Tom walks on the street. The sun is bright. The air is fresh. But Tom is tired. Tom sees a cafe. The cafe is small. The cafe is nice. Tom likes this cafe. Tom opens the door. He goes inside. The cafe smells good. It smells like coffee. A woman is behind the counter. She smiles. She says, "Good morning." Tom says, "Good morning." Tom looks at the menu. He sees many drinks. He sees tea. He sees juice. He sees coffee. Tom says, "I want coffee, please." The woman asks, "What size?" Tom says, "Large, please." The woman smiles. Tom says, "Hot coffee, please." Tom says, "With milk, please." Tom says, "No sugar." The woman writes it down. The woman says, "That is $4." Tom takes out his wallet. He gives her the money. She says, "Thank you." Tom waits. He sits at a small table. The table is near the window. He looks outside. People walk on the street. Cars drive slowly. A dog walks with a man. Tom watches the dog. Tom waits for his coffee. He is very tired. He closes his eyes. He rests for a moment. The woman calls, "Tom!" Tom opens his eyes. He stands up. He walks to the counter. The woman gives him a cup. The cup is white. The cup is hot. Tom says, "Thank you." Tom goes back to his table. He sits down. He looks at the cup. He is happy. Tom picks up the cup. He smells the coffee. It smells good. He smiles. Tom drinks the coffee. But something is wrong. The coffee is cold. Tom feels surprised. Tom drinks again. The coffee is very cold. It is not hot. Tom ordered hot coffee. Tom looks at the cup. He feels confused. He ordered hot coffee. This coffee is cold. Tom feels a little sad. He is tired. He needs hot coffee. This is not good. Tom thinks, what should he do? Should he say something? Should he ask for new coffee? Tom feels nervous. He does not like problems. He's a quiet person, but he needs hot coffee. Tom stands up. He takes the cup. He walks to the counter. His heart beats fast. The woman sees Tom. She smiles. Tom says, "Excuse me." The woman says, "Yes." Tom says, "This coffee is cold." Tom says, "I ordered hot coffee." His voice is quiet. He feels nervous. The woman looks at the cup. She looks surprised. She says, "Oh no." She says, "I am sorry." The woman says, "I made a mistake." She says, "I made iced coffee." She says, "Not hot coffee." Tom says, "Oh." The woman feels bad. She says, "I am very sorry." She says, "I will make new coffee." She says, "Hot coffee?" Tom feels better. The woman is nice. She understands. Tom says, "Thank you." The woman says, "Please wait." The woman says, "One moment." She starts making new coffee. Tom waits. Tom hears the coffee machine. The machine is loud. The machine makes steam. The cafe smells like coffee. The woman works quickly. She pours hot coffee. She adds milk. She mixes it. The woman puts a lid on the cup. She gives it to Tom. She says, "Here you are." She smiles. Tom takes the cup. The cup is hot now. Tom can feel it. He says, "Thank you very much." The woman says, "I'm sorry again." Tom says, "It is okay." Tom says, "No problem." The woman smiles. Tom goes back to his table. He sits down. He puts the cup down. He waits a moment. Tom picks up the new cup. He smells the coffee. It smells perfect. He smiles. Tom drinks the coffee. The coffee is hot. The coffee is good. Tom feels happy. Tom drinks more coffee. The coffee is delicious. It has milk. It is perfect. Tom sits and drinks. He looks outside. The sun is bright. The day is nice. Tom feels the warm coffee. He feels better now. He is not tired now. He feels awake. Tom finishes his coffee. The cup is empty. Tom stands up. He takes the empty cup. Tom walks to the counter. The woman is there. Tom says, "The coffee was perfect." The woman smiles. The woman says, "I am glad." Tom says, "Thank you." Tom says, "Have a good day." The woman says, "You too." Tom leaves the cafe. He opens the door. He walks outside. The air is fresh. Tom walks on the street. He feels good. He has energy now. The coffee helped. Tom thinks about the cafe. The woman was nice. She made a mistake, but she fixed it. Tom thinks about the cold coffee. It was a small problem. The woman was kind. Everything is okay now. Tom smiles. He walks to work. The sun is warm. The day is good. Tom feels calm. He feels happy. Sometimes things go wrong, but people can be kind. Tom continues walking. He has his hot coffee inside him. He is ready for the day. Everything is fine. It is a small problem. He feels calm now. The day continues.